One. Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Graphlinq.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and as Louis said, we are talking about Graphlinq, and in my opinion, this is a micro gem, and we are today going to be talking about it. And as you know, this is not financial advice, and I hope you guys enjoy this video because it is very, very important.
So as you can see here, this is a very, very low cap gem here. $8 million market cap, and let's look at the volume here. 75%, $800,000. For an $8 million market cap, $800,000 is a lot of money going in. This is seriously going to start rising, and if we see all the circulating supply, the max amount, it's almost being released now, 32% of the way there. So we're more than halfway of the way there. So there'll be more to buy up, which is always good. So it will slowly increase from that. And we're at 2.5 cents with this kind of market cap. So this could go to quite a higher price range. Definitely go to a couple, like around $50, definitely, easily. But if we look at its all-time high, I think we have already been at its all-time high. Let's be honest. Oh no, 4 months ago. So it was 10 cents 4 months ago. So if we look at the market cap, I don't know if this is when it first started. I don't think so. I think this is when it first came onto Coinmarketcap, and it was a $20 million market cap. So we need about $12 million, about $11.5 million flow into the market for flow into Graphlinq for it to break its all-time high, and that would be almost a 5x, just from $11.5 million flowing into this coin. And look what's going on here. It's definitely going to happen. It's obviously not financial advice, but I see this happening. So if you are looking for a potential 5x, obviously do your own due diligence, look into this further, but it's definitely possible here for sure. I'm definitely going to be buying up some. But if you want to look at where you want to buy this coin, that's probably what you're wondering. Where do I buy this? Because it's not on Binance, but it is on Qcoin, so I'd recommend you use Qcoin. I use Qcoin personally. You could also use Uniswap, but I personally don't like using Uniswap because of fees and MetaMask and all of that. I don't like using it. GateIO is also good.
So on the website, they do call this the no-code protocol for building on blockchain. So you can build on their own IDE, which is something that we've not seen before. As you guys know, on the website, they do have high staking. So you need to go to the interface and install MetaMask. And once you do that, you'll be inside the interface where you can actually stake your cryptocurrencies and you can be earning a high APY. That's one of the reasons why a lot of people enjoy looking at Graphlinq protocol, because they do have high APYs, especially as they are still early. So if you are planning on holding some Graphlinq, since it is still a micro cap, it's so cheap at the minute, and millionaires are made from these cheap prices. It's like when Ethereum was around $20, and the market cap was so small. These are when millionaires are made or billionaires are made. So you got to think early. You got to think, have your own strategy and do your own research.
But obviously, from now you want to know what it actually does. So the Graphlinq engine provides you all the needs for handling business logic without requiring any coding skills. So think about how much this is actually needed in the space where people don't know how to code. They don't want to be hiring freelancers to do it for them. They can now use this, build, visualize, automate tasks. You can get this to do it for you. This seriously is the future. And with this kind of price, this kind of market cap, it really is insane. This could seriously go sky high. So as you can see, you can build graphs visually with nodes. So a node is a block that is self-contained piece of functionality, like connecting to the Ethereum network, getting data from a specific exchange, or sending data using a webhook. The Graphlinq engine comes with a set of 100 logical blocks that can be executed using your desired parameters. So as you can see, it tells you exactly how to do it and everything like that. So you can link nodes and it defines your behavior. This is how you'd be automating it. So if you want to read through this, it tells you exactly what it can do and how you do it. And obviously ready to create your first graph on their protocol, then you create the wallet and go on the integrated environment or go to the interface. You can also deploy your own NFT smart contracts and mint your NFTs in literally just a few clicks in under 5 minutes using Graphlinq's no code interface. So the fact that integrating that as well, it really is insane. This actually could be the future of this coin. It's very, very, very good. So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.